In today's video, I will show you how you can create a music playlist on YouTube in 2020. So if it helps you out, please do leave a like and comment down below. So here's what you need to do. So first you need to go on YouTube and you need to be logged in. Click on your channel icon here in the top right and then go to your YouTube studio. Now when you're inside your YouTube studio, you should see your usual dashboard. And here in the left hand corner, you're looking for playlists. So we can click on that and it's going to open up all the playlists that we currently have. Now what we can do is we can click on new playlist. I'm going to call it music. And if it's a music playlist, you might want to make it private or unlisted. So I'm going to make mine private and then click create. Once you've done that, you're going to be taken to the playlist and you can give it a description if you want to. Again, you can change the privacy settings. But if you click on this button here or these three dots and click add videos, a new window is then going to pop up where you can now basically add music or add songs. So we can do a video search for the whole of YouTube. So if I wanted to search for a video, I could do. We could enter a video by a URL or we could enter in our YouTube videos. Now when you do a video search, if the song doesn't come up for some reason, which sometimes happens for some reason, and what you can do is you can just open up a new tab, head over back to YouTube, go and type in the song that you want, and then when you've got the song you can click on it, and this URL here you can copy, and we can then go back to the URL, we can paste that in, add videos, and we've now added that song to our playlist.